Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I show you how to insert page number and equation in MS Word. Let's see. First of all, you go to insert, then go to header and footer group and select page number, then top page or bottom page. I am clicking on top of page and there is lots of layout. I click plain number 1. Okay, then you can title the header. I write header and it's done. And you need to close header and footer. Done, your header is done. Now you need to add a footer number. Then you can go insert, then page number, then bottom of the page and select one. Here is your footer. You can select, you can see here is the footer uh, text, and again you need to close header and footer. Done. Now I show you how to add equation. Then go to insert and object, equation, Microsoft equation 3.0, then okay. Here is a equation. Then in the picture you can see a equation. Now I will write this in MS Word. First of all, a plus b whole square. So you need to a bracket. Now click here, you can get bracket, then a, and click plus on keyboard, then b, and click right arrow on keyboard. Then you need to power 2, then select here fraction and sorry, no, it not need subscript and super subscript templates. You click here and click first one, then click 2. Here a plus b whole square, then click right arrow and equal on keyboard. Now you need to a square. You can click a, then superscript a and 2. Done. Then you need to plus keyboard from keyboard. Then you need 2 by 3. Then you can click here fraction and radical. Click here and choose first one, 2, and click down arrow 3. Done. Now you need to a into. Here you can see operator symbols. Click here and click into. Done. And you need to root over. Then again you can click fraction and there you can see root over and write 386. Then again click right arrow, then again plus, then you need to 1 is to 2 by 3, then click 1, then again here 2 and down arrow 3. Done. Again right arrow. Done. And you need to divide it and click here divided symbol. Then you need to click here and root over. Okay, now we need to a divide section into the root over. Then again click here, then again here, then you can click 386 by 295. Then again you need to click right arrow, then you click plus, then 30 degree, then 30 click, then again here superscript, click here, then click 0, then again right arrow, then minus H2O, you click shift H, then superscript subscript, and here you can click and click 2, then again right arrow and shift O. Here you can see the equation in the MS Word. So guys, this is my first video on MS Word tutorial. I am sorry for my bad English. Let's see in next video. Allah Hafiz.